Good morning and welcome, everyone. My name is Hayley Campbell, and I'm the Community Engagement Representative with We Florida Financial. This Credit Matters, the Importance of Credit webinar is the first of our monthly webinar series, and we're super excited to have you on here joining us. Each month, we're going to cover a different topic regarding financial literacy. This will be an informative webinar, and I'll be providing my contact information in case you have any questions or feedback following the webinar. Let's get started. Okay, so my contact information here is hcampbell@wefloridafinancial.com, and my cell phone number is 954-871-7525 if anyone has any questions following the webinar. I'm also going to provide it again at the end if anyone wants to jot it down. So our webinar agenda today will be what is credit, how credit works, types of credit, credit cards, good credit versus bad credit, how to build credit, repairing damaged credit, why credit is important, the benefits of using credit, and free financial learning resources and tips as well. So welcome to your credit union. A little bit about We Florida Financial. We're a full service credit union that's been providing outstanding customer service since 1952. We're not for profit, so every member that joins the credit union becomes a shareholder of We Florida Financial. When you deposit money into your credit union account, you become both a customer and an owner. We offer low fees and high savings rates, and we also offer a range of loans including auto, home, aviation loans, and more, which also have low interest rates. So what is credit? Credit has multiple meanings in the financial world. It's generally the ability to borrow money or access goods or services with the understanding that you'll pay at a later date, typically with interest. Interest is the money you pay when you borrow funds, typically expressed as an annual percentage rate. Lenders, merchants, and service providers, known as creditors, grant credit based on their confidence you can be trusted to pay back what you borrowed, along with any charges that may apply. Credit's a part of everyday life for many people. They might use credit for several things, such as credit cards, buying a car or home, utilities, student loans, etc. Credit also refers to an individual or business's creditworthiness or credit history. So how credit works. A credit report is a detailed summary of an individual's credit history. Your credit history is summarized into credit reports that are compiled by 3 independent credit bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Banks, credit unions, credit card issuers, and other creditors voluntarily report your borrowing and repayment information to these credit bureaus. Information in your credit report includes the number of credit card counts you have, their borrowing limits and current outstanding balances, the amounts of any loans you've taken out and how much of them you've paid back thus far, whether your monthly payments for your accounts were made on time, late, or missed altogether. And it also includes some more severe financial setbacks, such as mortgage foreclosures, car repossessions, and bankruptcies. Types of credit. So there are many types of credit, but the most common types are installment credit, revolving credit, and open credit. Installment credit is when you borrow a fixed sum of money and agree to make monthly payments until the loan is paid off. Some examples of this are student loans and auto loans. Revolving credit is a line of credit you can keep using after paying it off. You can make purchases with it as long as the balance stays under the credit limit, which can change over time. Some examples of this are credit cards and personal lines of credit. Open credit is a pre-approved loan between a financial institution and borrower that may be used repeatedly up to a certain limit and can subsequently be paid back prior to payments being due. Some examples of this would be home equity lines of credit, HELOC, and debit cards. Credit cards. The three main types of credit cards are rewards credit cards, low interest and balance transfer cards, and credit building cards. Rewards credit cards give you a little something back with each purchase. Examples are cashback cards, which earn back a percentage of your spending, and travel rewards credit cards, which typically give you points or miles for the purchases that you make. Low interest and balance transfer cards are typically designed for people carrying debt. Low interest or 0% cards save you money by reducing the amount of interest charged on your purchases. Balance transfer cards let you move high interest debt onto a card with a lower interest rate. Credit building cards are designed to help build and/or improve one's credit. These are typically designed for people with poor credit scores or who are new to credit cards entirely. Examples of this are student credit cards and secured credit cards. Good credit versus bad credit. So a credit score is a 3-digit number, usually on a scale of 300 to 850, that estimates how likely you are to repay borrowed money and pay bills. Credit scores are calculated from information about your credit accounts. That data is gathered by credit bureaus and compiled into your credit reports. The three largest bureaus are Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. So a score of 720 or higher is generally considered excellent credit. A score between 690 and 719 is considered good credit. Scores between 630 and 689 are fair credit. And scores of 629 or below are typically considered poor credit. You can check your credit score through some banking apps, as well as for free through www.creditkarma.com. So how to build credit. To build credit with a credit card, you can open your first credit card account, get a secured credit card, which is a type of credit card that is backed by a cash deposit from the cardholder. You can become an authorized user, which is when another person who is a cardholder grants you access to use their account. Or you can also request a credit limit increase on your current credit card. To build credit without a credit card, you can pay all of your existing loans diligently, or you can use installment loans, which is basically a lump sum of money that you borrow and repay in payments, aka installments, over a period of time, which is usually months or years. Installment loans can strengthen your credit if you make consistent on-time payments. Repairing damaged credit. So to repair damaged credit, it's best you check your credit score and report on a regular basis. Definitely fix or dispute any errors or negative marks on your credit report. Always pay your bills on time. Try and keep your credit card utilization rate below 30%. Pay down any debts and outstanding balances. And also keep old credit cards open In general, it's best to keep unused credit cards open so that you benefit from a longer average credit history as well as a larger amount of available credit. So why credit is important? Some examples of areas where credit is important would be if you're applying for a credit card, mortgages and auto loans, insurance and utilities, if you're trying to rent an apartment, condo, or house, housing applications, and also job applications too. The benefits of using credit. So using credit, it can help you save on interest and fees. It helps you manage your cash flow. It can potentially help you avoid utility deposits or be granted lower security deposits. You can get better credit card rewards. It can help provide you with an emergency fund backup plan. It helps you avoid and limit financial fraud. And it can also help you with purchases and travel protections. So we have fun financial tips. We Florida Financial has partnered with Zogo to provide you with a gamified financial literacy app that teaches everything from opening a bank account to saving for retirement. You win rewards for completing bite-sized financial literacy lessons on intelligently saving, spending, and managing your money. So if you're looking for ways to further your education, Zogo is a free app that teaches you about finance and pays you to learn. You can download Zogo in the App Store and use code WeFlorida to sign up for free. We care about your financial literacy. We Florida Financial has also partnered with Consolidated Credit and Coffee to help you and your family get financially fit. They also are hosting free webinars on a range of topics regarding financial literacy the second Wednesday of each month. So if you're interested in any of these topics that are listed here, you can register and check out www.weflorida.coffeetime.com and use code WeFlorida to register for them as well. Their topic for next month is the weather in your wallet. It says, don't let natural disasters destroy your life or your finances. If anyone's interested in that, that'll be the second Wednesday of March. And then We Florida is also going to continue to host free monthly webinars on topics regarding financial literacy. So this was our first one. Our next one that will be on March 8th is Fall in Love with Your Credit Union. And then our one for April is Financial Literacy 101. But if you go to www.wefloridafinancial.com/wef-webinars, that's on the screen, you can register for any of these webinars that will be for the rest of the year. So how to join there is no fee to join. You just simply open your savings account with a minimum of $5, and this represents your share of credit union ownership. And as long as that $5 stays in your account, you're eligible to benefit from any credit union service, including applying for loans, mortgages, and more. You have to live or work in one of our 46 Florida counties, including Broward, Miami-Dade, and West Palm Beach, or be a family member of an existing member. You can apply online at wefloridafinancial.com or in person at any of our branch locations. We're also on social media. If anyone is interested in checking us out on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, or even TikTok now, we post things to keep you updated about the credit union, financial resources and tips. We'll promote the webinars, and yeah, so if anyone wants to follow, our handles are listed below the icons. So if you have any questions or feedback, you can email me at any time, hcampbell@wefloridafinancial.com, or call me, text me at 954-871-7525. And if you're interested in signing up with us, you can go to wefloridafinancial.com and enter promotional code community25, and you'll get a free $25 on me if you sign up through our website using that promotion code. So again, the code is community25 if anyone is interested. Okay, so we've come to the end of our Credit Matters, the Importance of Credit webinar. I really appreciate you all taking your time to log in and join me. We look forward to seeing you at our future webinars, and I hope everyone has a great day.